A wormy. Ah, let's see. What are you gonna do with it? You put it in the garden?
On today's episode, we're moving lumber.
So we're gonna load up all of that wood into the wheelbarrow, into the wagon, and take it to the back, okay?
And then you'll sit in here.
Watch your head, Rosie, you get a big one there.
Here, do this one. Hey, you get this one?
Yo, that's a good one. That's a good one, Gil.
Dad, bring it.
Dad, bring it. Who's sitting on this load here? Hey, come around, Ollie. Okay, Oz, you can drive. Hop on. Nice and safe, right?
Yeah.
Okay, you're not touching this yellow one because that one turns on the blade. Okay. Okay. So, no, so you turn that key. One more gas, right there. Throttle. There you go. That's right. All right, I'll meet you around front. Okay. What are you doing, Rose? What, you got a little blood or is that nail polish?
Blood.
Blood. Uh-oh. Okay, you have to go just clean it up, or is it dry?
Watery.
It's watery.
Front. That's how I get blood.
Okay. Watch out, Gilly Willy. What are you gonna do with it? You put it in the garden?
No.
Wormy. Okay, I'll go help the other kids.
Hot water, and then I put my finger on the water, and then.
Ouch!
I'm so sorry. Floppies. Let's grab the floppy one. Grab those. They're so floppy.
Rosie, I think we did it, hey? We cleaned up the whole area. What do you say? And that's it. Thank you, guys.